ILS, Instrument Landing System. Categories. These categories are based on decision height and runway, visual range. Category 1 Cat 1. Decision height, 200 feet 60 meters. Runway visual range, 2,400 feet 800 meters. Category 2 Cat 2. Decision height, between 100 to 200 feet, 30 to 60 meters. Runway visual range, between 1,200 to 2,400 ft, 400 to 800 meters. Category 3 Cat 3A. Decision height, below 100 feet, 30 meters. Runway visual range, less than 1,200 ft, 400 meters. Category 3B Cat 3B. Decision height, no decision height 0. Runway visual range, less than 700 feet, 200 meters. Category 3C Cat 3C. Decision height, no decision height required. Runway visual range, no runway visual range required. Categories 3A, 3B, and 3C are considered low visibility operations.